Hi everyone, this is Gaurav. This is my third video on Minitab. In the second video, we have learned how to perform a one-way ANOVA. In this video, we are going to learn how to perform two-way ANOVA. So let us first try to have a look on our data. So here's the problem. In this problem, the growth of the plants from different type of seeds were measured at different time interval, which is first, second, and third year. And the growth of the plants were reported in this column. So the problem is to understand the variables effect, that is seeds and times, on the growth of the plant. So necessarily the problem comprises of two input variables, that is seed and time, and the response variable is growth. Now let us have a look how it can be solved using Minitab. So first we will take this as an input, then start. This time we'll select balanced ANOVA. The response, as I was mentioning, it will be growth, and dependent variable would be seed and time. Sorry, it would be independent variable. So this is the result of the test, where if we check here, the seed produced an insignificant effect because the p is probability value is more than 0.05, whereas the time produced a significant effect which is less than 0.05. So at 95% confidence level, the time produces a significant effect on the growth of the plant. Now here are a couple of things to do using this two-way ANOVA. The thing is to understand the main effect. I'm very sure that you must have learned what is main effect, so I'm not going to details it. Simply the effect of each independent variable over the dependent variable. So here the independent variables are seed and time, and the dependent or the response variable is growth. So here is the main effect plot. Here first the seed, how exactly it affects the growth, and the second one is time. With time, how the mean growth is changing. The second thing is to find out the interaction plot. Interaction plots are basically how these two variables are interacting each other on the growth of the plant. So this is how an interaction plot looks like. Now as you can see, there are a couple of plots has been given, so let us try to understand what exactly it is. The seed, it indicates in this row, the effect of the seed would be analyzed in this column, that is with respect to the time. And here similarly the effect of the time on different type of seed will be discussed here. So in this plot, say the type 1 seed, which is this line, it indicates how the type 1 seed grows with time. Similarly type 2, type 3 and type 4. It helps to understand the picture of the growth of different type of seed at the same time. Similarly, at different years, which type of seed is producing the higher growth, we can understand from the interaction plot. So that's all for two-way ANOVA. I hope you learned something out of it. Thank you. Bye.